If it happened to you that you thought about somebody and he called you, just thought about he called you, a telephone rings, before you pick up the phone, you know who is on the other person calling you. You maybe suddenly started thinking about somebody and you wanted to contact somebody or thinking about somebody, and suddenly you get a call, email or WhatsApp message or SMS message, or you suddenly see the person on the road, crossing the road. Happen with you, happen with us all the time. My friend, it's called telepathy. You send a message intuitively from your mind to mind, not verbally. Now my friend, I have developed a very powerful course called Hypno Telepathy. How to broadcast silent command which must be obeyed. Yes, my friend. Is this possible? Yes, it is possible. It is happening to us all the time without our conscious knowledge. Once you know exactly how to do it, it will happen more often and it will help you make more friends, make somebody call you a very important person. It will help you to close more sales, make more money, improve your relationship, and you can heal others. There are a lot of ways it can be helped. So my friend, I am conducting a 21-day WhatsApp workshop on Hypno Telepathy, how to broadcast silent command which must be obeyed. So if you are really interested in learning that, it is a practical workshop. It is a 21-day WhatsApp workshop, so you can learn from home. If you are really interested, click on the link below and join our group and sign up for the workshop. See you personally soon. Thank you very much.